Hey everyone, it's Queen Nizzle. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and click that button for you, girl. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar line. This is geared towards kinky textured hair, so I was excited to try this. I did a flat twist out using the products, and I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinion on the products overall and show you my results. I started with the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath. It claims to be a gentle cleanser that naturally conditions the hair. I can agree with that. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. I don't feel like I lost any moisture. It actually added moisture. My hair was really soft while shampooing, and I probably could have detangled just using the shampoo, which is good. I followed up with the hair mask, which is supposed to strengthen and smooth the hair and prevent any scalp damage and promote faster hair growth and a healthier scalp. This wasn't what I was used to when it comes to a hair mask. It wasn't very thick, but it did have lots of slip, which is good. The hair mask paired with my Hothead Thermal Deep Conditioning Cap really made my hair super soft. I left that on for about 45 minutes. I detangled, twisted my hair, put my satin scarf on, and went to bed. Now to actually do the twisting, I use the hair silk and the hair gel. The hair silk is the leave-in conditioner, and leave-in is very important when it comes to your hair separating or if you want your curls to clump and when you're separating your twist. This hair gel claims to be a reconstruct and strengthening type of gel with a light hold, which I can agree, which is why you see me holding the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, because that has more of a hold, so I cheated and added that in there too. I used the hair serum to add some shine, and it definitely does add shine. It isn't your normal hair serum that you would be used to seeing because it's more of a cream oil as opposed to just an oil. You think serum oil, but no, it's a cream oil, which wasn't bad. Once you rub it into your hands, it basically turns into an oil, and it says that it's a hair strengthening treatment and is the solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable sheen. We shall see. So I used the hair serum to unravel my flat twist, and that will help in reducing the amount of frizz, from unraveling the twist and having your hands in your hair, which does often create frizz. So I try to carefully unravel my twist, starting from the back, going from the bottom up. And if I did encounter any frizz at the ends of my hair while untwisting, I would just take the ends of the hair and kind of coil it around my finger a couple of times in the natural direction that the curl goes, basically the curl pattern from the twist. And that pretty much reduced the frizz a lot. Now what we have here is a big no-no for me. I don't know about other ladies with kinkier textured hair, but if I try to unravel from the root, I could really end up ruining the curl for that twist because it could get caught on another piece of hair, somehow snag, and then the curl is ruined. So I kind of basically rewrapped it around and took the twist down from the bottom, going up. is taken down at this point, and I'm just going through and kind of coiling the ends of some of the pieces where I see a little too much frizz for my liking and separating. And as you can see, I got great definition. My hair is shiny. Do you see the definition? Do you see the shine? It looks really good, very shrunken. Actually, shrinkage is a good sign when it comes to our natural hair. So it doesn't bother me very much, but I am going to do some separating of these coils and curls, and I am going to pick and lift because I love volume. But overall, I can say that I'm pleased with the products. Very bouncy. My hair was very light. It didn't feel weighed down. And yeah, very bouncy and curly and defined. So I must say I am pleased so far with Curl's Cashmere and Caviar collection. And here's my hair after doing some more separating of the curls. And that still isn't enough volume for me. So I'm going to pick some more until I get the desired volume and height and fullness that I like. And this is my final result using the Cashmere and Caviar collection from Curls. I generally love their products. I slicked my edges down after I picked away, and this is what I ended up with, and I can truly say I'm pleased with it. Again, I will not attribute the amount of frizz to the product. I will say that that is something that comes with doing flat twist outs for me. I don't know about anybody else, but definitely for me. And I really liked it. My hair was bouncy, it was soft and defined and shiny, and it smells amazing. So I will definitely use this line again. In fact, I already did. I've used it twice now, and I absolutely love it. It smells so good. My hair is bouncy and shiny and defined. I'm gonna keep reiterating that because, as you can see, that is really evident in the video. So kudos, Curls, Cashmere and Caviar collection. Your girl is pleased. I thought I was fly. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know what I was singing right there, but I was having fun and I was definitely feeling my hair. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.